Designing characters from scratch can be a real challenge. How many times have you struggled to get that blurry vision of what you want out of your head and onto paper? I've been there countless times. That is, until I put some structure into this early part of the process of character design. Hi, I'm Mark D'Elia of D'Elia Art. I'm a mixed media and digital artist and I absolutely love drawing. I'll draw anything that takes my fancy, but my real passion is designing characters. My goal in this course is to guide you through my process in those crucial early stages of character design. We'll use a basic brief that you can adapt to whatever style you specialise in. Are you a comic artist? Need a character for a video game? Character concept art for a movie or animated feature? Or just for something fun to do? This process should work for all of these and more. No matter what your skill level, beginner to seasoned professional, this process will apply to any scenario. In these lessons, you will learn to break down the brief into key features, search for ideas and images based on those features, build a mood board with them either in Pinterest or compiled in an image editor. I'll cover both methods. From there, you'll narrow down your selections down to what you believe represents the core of the character and compile one final composite image that will become your main reference. Once that's in place, you can begin some rough sketches using the elements in your reference image. Finally, you'll end with a rough draft of the one you feel captures the brief. I'll be working primarily in my sketchbook, but if you prefer to draw on tablet or other digital method, please feel free. This process works with any method. The aim isn't to teach you how to draw or take you through to a finished product, but to form a clear vision and direction for your character. Are you ready? Let's dive in.